Welcome to our video on 15 easy full body workouts for beginners. If you're new to exercise or looking to switch up your routine, these exercises are perfect for you. 1. Squats. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, then lower yourself down as if you're sitting on a chair. Repeat for 10-15 reps. 2. Push-ups. Get into a plank position and lower your chest towards the ground, then push back up. 3. Lunges. Step one foot forward and lower your back knee towards the ground, keeping your front knee at a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs for 10 reps on each side. 4. Plank. Lie face down and push yourself up onto your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute. 5. Burpees. Start by standing, then squat down. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Bring them back in and jump up. Repeat for 10 reps. 6. Russian twists. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet lifted. Twist your torso from side to side, touching the ground on each side. Do 10-15 reps. 7. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest. Do this in a fast and controlled motion for 10-15 reps. 8. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent, then lift your hips off the floor using your glutes. Squeeze at the top and repeat for 10-15 reps. 9. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and bring your opposite elbow to your knee, alternating sides. Do 10-15 reps on each side. 10. Tricep dips. Sit on the edge of a chair or bench, with your hands gripping the edge. Slide your hips off the edge and lower yourself down, then push back up. Do 10-15 reps. 11. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together, then jump out and bring your arms overhead. Jump back in and repeat for 10-15 reps. 12. Superman. Lie on your stomach and lift your arms and legs off the ground. Hold for a few seconds and repeat for 10 reps. 13. Side plank. Lie on your side and prop yourself up on your forearm, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute on each side. 14. Reverse lunges. Step one foot back and lower your back knee towards the ground, keeping your front knee at a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs for 10 reps on each side. 15. High knees. Stand in place and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest as fast as you can. Do this for 30 seconds to a minute. And that's it. 15 easy full body workouts for beginners. Remember to start slow and gradually increase difficulty as you get comfortable. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts.